morning everyone, my name is Sai Pranav. Today I created a robotic arm. What is a robotic arm? Robotic arm is something which takes one place to another place. And let us see what components we have. We have microbit, we have extension board, and we have one battery holder, two batteries, we have two joysticks and three servo motors. And I programmed microbit with make code, and let us see and I'll show you the demo.